Now that is a sticky BBQ. Let's make some sticky mango BBQ chicken. First, we need to blend all of our glaze ingredients. Now we just cook it until it's thick. Add a little water to make it smooth. Let's make small gashes on the chicken. Now we add all the marinade spices. Now cover and marinate. Let's cook the chicken drumsticks. Now we just steam cook them. Slather on that oh good! Sprinkle fresh coriander for that perfect finish. Enjoy your mango barbecue chicken! Bye-bye! See you next time!